make sure that you try some callaloo. We don't know if there'll be any left for family, so you might want to try that. That's the callaloo. Callaloo uses the leaves of what plant? Callaloo. Taro root. The leaves are called dasheen. Can any other greens be used for callaloo?
Yes.
A substitute can be spinach and collard green. Is there any other green in you call callaloo that is not the leaves of dasheen? Or the dasheen leaves, which are the leaves of taro root, I should say. Is there anything that the gardeners are going to plant here, native to the Andes? Amaranth. So amaranth leaves are also used for callaloo greens. They call those leaves callaloo. It depends on what island you're on. It gets very kooky down there. Any other greens that are grown in the islands that can be used and called callaloo?
Spinach.
Yes, it is what they call Chinese spinach, a low-growing, beautiful, dark green, thick leaf. And what's the weird thing about these Caribbean Chinese spinach leaves when you eat them?
It gives off like the okra slime.
It's got the okra slime. Good. Okay? And the whole dish itself, crab, coconut, okra, pork, scotch bonnet is called callaloo. All right? Cuban, black bean soup with Spanish chorizo sausage. Probably one of the best black bean soups you'll eat ever.
Yep.
Really. It's really, really good. It's not pureed, but you could puree it. Lots of versions. I'm not a fan of the puree all the time. I like that. Nice. Here is our vegetarian torta cubana, our sweet potato salad, and we put some purple potatoes in there. This is mayonnaise based, but it has curry in it. Why is there curry in the Caribbean? India. Indentured servants. Another name for yuca.
Cassava.
Another name for cassava.
Manioc.
Manioc. Another name for manioc.
Tapioca.
Tapioca. Another name for tapioca. Mandioca. Another name for mandioca.
Yuca.
Yuca.
No, this is a key term.
Boniata.
Wait, for a key.
Matioc. So your key terms, you got 3 key terms for this. It's kasua, not cassava. It's kasua, C-A-S-S-A-U-A, kasua. So kasua, matioc, mandioca. Those are your actual key terms. So you'll hear those in South America a lot. Oh, there's over 50 names.
How many do we need to know?
How many do you need to know? I would know tapioca, kasua, maybe matioc, certainly the key terms, mandioca, manioc, cassava. Yeah, about 5. And yuca. All right, this is the goat. We had ripe plantains, so we fried these this time. So once the plantains get ripe, they can be used, once they get black spots on them, it's okay, nice to use them, but are also allowed to get completely black. Grab, Cooper, the blackest one under there. Yes. So these are used for dessert. So when you think they're rotten, they're not. They're soft, but they're not rotten. So you let them get like this, and then you peel it, and you can mash them, use them in desserts. Sometimes they'll grate them, fry them. They're called plantain spiders.
How long does it take to get that?
This took approximately a week and a half.
To get that?
Depends on temperature.
I thought they take a really long time to get.
Depends on. Yeah, this is about a week and a half. We got these in there. We're just starting to turn yellow now.
Is it the starch converting to sugar, or is
It's the starch converting to sugar as they ripen. Correct.
So do they have?
These are sweet, green or not,
And they're not like.
and they're not starchy. It's like just like an overripe banana at that point. Same, pretty much. A fast way to get these ripe is you put them in your car. Yeah, you can put them in a brown paper bag in your car in a hot parking lot for a few days.
Oh.
This is the roti bread, the curry goat, green papaya salad.
The bread's not stuffed, right?